Stitch Fix is here. It has been a while. Hey everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Stitch Fix. It has been a while since I've done an unboxing. I mean, there was so much going on that, you know, my channel just had to take a back seat. So let's get started. Let's look. Wow, there's two bundles and a pair of shoes in here. And honestly, I can't remember what I picked because, this is really pretty. Look at that. Stitch Fix will send you a preview and you get to pick 5 items. If you only pick 1, 2, or whatever, the stylist will pick the other items and send them to you. So it's a surprise. I think I picked I thought a pair of gym shoes. I don't even remember. And I didn't pick anything else out. So let's take a look and then I'll do a quick try on. Let's start with the shoes. Everyone's always excited to see the shoes. Styling fee is, how much is the styling fee with Stitch Fix? It's $20. But if you use my, I'm looking at these shoes like, I don't remember these. If you use my referral link, then we both receive a $25 credit to be used towards a purchase. These are cute. I have to say, these are Toms, it looks like. They are a gray, a suede with a black and white plaid back. They're a wedge. So, it looks like there's no zipper, but it does stretch on the side here. So, I don't know, they're kind of cute. I bet they look really cute with jeans. So we'll give them a try. You never know until you try them on. They look kind of small, but maybe that's because of the wedge. So I don't know, we'll see. And then we've got this bundle right here. It's an interesting color. Let's see. It's a jacket. Look at the hood. It's a puffer jacket. How long is it? Looks like it's longer. Let's just try it on right now. What the heck? I don't know if it's going to go with anything that's in my box. I have a lightweight sweater on. It is gloomy today. Let me tell you. So if the lighting's not great, it's because it is storming, raining, and it's been doing that all morning. And I've been waiting. My box came today. The bottom of it is wet. The top of it is not. This is cute. Sleeves are short. Look at that. No elastic. This is nice. It's kind of lightweight. Pockets. Stand back. It's a great length. I need a jacket. I need a puffer jacket because the ones that I have are too small. Yeah, I can't zip them up. There's one I can barely zip up, but hey, this one zips up, so I could wear this one. This is pretty nice. It's got the hood color. It's like a peach. I wonder if the hood is detachable. I like that it has the high neck on it. Let's see. See what size she sent me. She sent, it's a small. It's marked in Spruce. Let's see, how much is it? Oh, there's no price on here. So I'll have to tell you the price on that. It's kind of a lightweight jacket. It's pretty cute. I like how it's different here. The stitching goes down and then in the back, it goes a different direction. Oh, that's just on the side. That's pretty cute. Okay. All right, let's see what else is in here. I feel like it's so dark in here. I've got lights on. It's not healthy. Oh, we have a pair of jeans. Jeans, I don't know. They're 20. Oh, she sent me a petite. Okay. Oh, these look tiny. Cosmic blue. Love. Oh my gosh, I don't know, ladies. Well, they've got stretch. I like the wash on them, and they're boot cut. I'm loving my boot cut, but I'm actually looking for, I don't know, if these fit, these could be promising. I like the wash. They've got some distressing on the pocket up here. So if, actually I've been wanting a pair of wide leg jeans and they're kind of hard to find. Oh, this is a pretty color. Oh, look at how, oh, it's so soft. It's very soft. That is pretty. It's a blue. I don't know how it's coming through, but from what I can see, it looks like it's the same color here in person as it is on my viewfinder. That looks nice. Who's this by? This is by Evolution, size small. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Oh, this looks big. Maybe it's supposed to be oversized. So it's kind of like a cream with a, it looks like it's gray, kind of burgundy, and then like a teal color. It's on, it's like a different color on the sleeve than what's around the neck. Oh, that's nice. I don't know, this is pretty. Fate, size small. Okay, that's it. Let's get to the try on. Okay, we're gonna start out with the Varsity sweater by Fate. This is really pretty. I love the V-neck with the detail, the trim on the bottom and on the sleeves. It's $64. I am wearing a size small. It's hand wash. Hand wash, why? I know a lot of you have told me, you know, throw them in on gentle cycle or delicate, but in this washing machine that I have in our rental home, even normal clothes don't turn out great. So, you know, for $64, but it's so cute. Isn't it cute? I like the length of it. I could wear leggings if I get brave enough to with it. It's pretty cute. I like the style of it a lot. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's so pretty. So I don't know, let me know what your thoughts are. If I feel like there's just too much material right here, what do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, but it's so cute. The jeans. The jeans are Cosmic let's start this over. Cosmic Blue Love. They are $88. I am wearing a size 8 petite. They are actually a little short for me. I'm 5'3". They would be great with a pair of tennis shoes. But when I go out, I like to wear heels. So I'm not sure if, you know, if these are something I will pay $88 for. Also, the waistband is so tight. It does not have the ab solution. And all of my jeans, well, most of my jeans have ab solution in them. And right now, this girl needs that extra stretch. There's no stretch in this waistband. And I sat down to put the booties on and it just like cuts right into me. So for that reason, I can't keep the jeans. They're just too uncomfortable. But they're nice. They're very nice. I can feel the stretch in them. They're, like I said, they're a little too short for me. I'm 5'3". But they would be great for just running around. All right, let's talk about these booties. The booties are by Tom's. They call it Kelsey leather. I don't know where the leather is, honestly. So, I mean, all I see is the suede and then the pull tab. It's not leather. Honestly, I don't know where it is. It might be a misprint. What do you guys think of the booties? They're a slide on, and when you have socks on, it's a little harder to get them on, so I prefer a zipper. I mean, I like the color and everything. They're $89.95. I'm not in love with them, but if I like, let's say this, you know, I put the other sweater on and the coat, and I'm like, I might as well keep the shoes. So we'll see. I don't know. I mean, this is a nice box. It really is. And Melissa is my stylist, and forgot to tell you that if you didn't know, they do send you some ideas on how to style things. And then in a nice note, she wrote me a really nice note. So Melissa, if you're watching, I really appreciate it. And then you get pricing. This is fix number 61. Wow. I'm going to show you the rest of the items, but while I have this in my hand, I'm going to tell you my entire box value is $407.95. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount, which saves me $101.99. So my total would be $305.96. That's kind of pricey. I mean, I got to love it to spend that kind of money. And right now I am trying to do a closet clean out of things that I don't love. So let's see what the other sweater looks like. Here's the next sweater. Oh my gosh, I love this sweater. Love this sweater. It is so cute. It's so soft. I love the detail in it. The neck is a little snug, so if you don't like anything around your neck, you might not like this. But because I like everything else about it, I will live with this. It is very pretty. Look at, oh, I didn't look to see what color it is. But I like the detail in it. I like the split sides, and it's longer in the back. It's so pretty, and it's soft. Okay, did I tell you it's Evolution by Cyrus? It's $78, and I'm wearing a size small. If I were to keep this, I would size up to a medium. It just feels a little bit, probably, I need a little bit more room, and maybe it's coming from wearing the other sweater, which was so boxy, but I like this kind of fit better. I'm more comfortable in a fit like this. But it's hand wash, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Is it worth taking a chance of something happening to it with my particular washer machine that I have? And I won't hand wash anything, other than my bathing suits. That's it. So I don't know, you guys, isn't it pretty? I really like it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about it. But I would definitely size up. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. Okay, so let me put the jacket on again, and I'll give you the information about the coat. So here's the jacket again. I mean, it's kind of, to me, it's kind of an odd color, but everything I have is either black or it's white. So it's kind of nice to have something a little bit different. This is by Market & Spruce. It's called the Olivia. It's $88, and I am wearing a size small. I'm kind of on the fence with this. I like it, but I'm not wowed. And I have been looking for a new coat. But I have things that I can wear. And it's not like I'm gonna go out and go for a walk when it's below freezing outside. I just bundle up and wear what I have. Let's see. Well, starting to sweat. So I don't know. It's nice, but I wish it had some kind of detail, like some zippers on the side or something. But I don't know. It's kind of cute. What do you guys think? So that is my Stitch Fix. I mean, I know it's been a while. I have received some style boxes, but I just didn't film it. It wasn't a priority. I had other priorities that just took my time. So, but I don't know. I think Melissa did a great job. What do you guys think? So what do you think I should do? Leave me a comment below. And if you're interested in giving Stitch Fix a try, you've never tried them, please use my referral link down below, and we'll both receive a $25 credit. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.